Smaller customers may be utilizing colos like Equinix and, you know, you know, other smaller cage space within a larger data center, which is just dedicated to them. And these data centers are very high tech buildings. You know, they've got redundant, you know, power systems, redundant cooling systems, and they're overbuilt basically to be able to provide high availability to their customers. And what that means is that, you know, a customer may have you know, a few servers in, you know, one rack. Well, if say something causes that one rack's power strip to go down, they're not going to lose power to that server because they have a redundant power system built in a secondary power strip on a secondary circuit. And, you know, a lot of these data centers, they actually have more than just one backup. You know, there's several backups, and, you know, there's different tiers of these data centers based on the redundancy and their high availability. You know, typically you're looking for 5 nines. So 5 nines availability means that your data center services are up and running 99.999% of the time, which leaves very small, you know, room for error.